Find out how much your car's worth in 30 seconds. Enter your reg number now at WeBuyAnyCar.com. Admin fee may apply. For more information, visit WeBuyAnyCar.com/info.
90 minutes, 2 teams, 1 outstanding player. Man of the match on TalkSport with Enterprise Rent-A-Car.
Have I been naughty?
You certainly have, madam.
Oh, I can't believe.
Do you know what the speed limit is on this road?
40?
One more try.
30?
Correct.
I thought I was going 30 and a 30.
You were doing 43.
Was I going too fast?
A little bit, yeah. Are you local?
Yeah, I live literally at the road.
Sort of gets me because it's the locals that complain to us about the speed of these drivers. This is St Edith's Marsh. What we're going to do is do some speed checks here just to see how many people are driving too fast. Now, slow down. Speeding is one of our what we call fatal five. We're pretty hot on it.
Yeah.
We're out every day checking speeds. So, on your way to Chippenham, make sure you stick to the speed limits. Words of advice, he's happy, I'm happy. So he's off now, off to Chippenham. Hopefully keeping the speed limits. You were faster than 31 or 2.
What, coming up there?
Yeah. I
couldn't have got up to 30, I just come around the corner.
A lot of people just come around the corner. Some come around the corner at 45 miles an hour. So don't give me that. I mean, you get all the excuses. I've heard loads of excuses. There's a certain place in Malmesbury where you come down a hill. And people say to me, "Oh, yeah, I was going downhill." And you say, "Well, that's what your brakes for, mate. You know, you use your brakes." Do you know why I've stopped you?
Yeah, I do. I was talking.
You were talking. You slowed right down when you saw me.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well, just before that, when the lorry was flashing. Yeah.
Which he shouldn't have been.
Oh,
He's breaking the law.
I'm so sorry. I have just been with the dentist with my daughter and she's very painful.
No, that's
not. I know.
Right.
I want to go very quickly also to pick up my little one.
That's not a reason to speed, I'm afraid.
I know. I'm so sorry.
Okay. You can have a ticket. Pull in there. Thank you.
I would assume I was going over the speed limit, I guess.
You sure were. Do you know the speed limit down here?
I would guess 40?
30.
Okay.
Yeah. You were doing 44.
Okay.
All right, so that's quite a bit over the speed limit.
Yeah, I see that.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a traffic offence report out, which is a ticket.
Yep.
And then I'll explain it all to you as we go on. All right,
yeah, cool.
So I'll just get that in the car.
Yeah, no problem.
If I can ask for a signature there, just say I've given you a copy of this when I give it to you. Some people think if they throw the letter away or just ignore it when it comes, it'll all go away. Yeah. With our speed cameras, we've got to stop people because it hasn't got video capabilities. Like the speed enforcement team, their speed cameras take a short video and then they send the person a letter in the post if they've exceeded the speed limit. and I can use my discretion whether they get a ticket or just what we call words of advice.